Good morning, students. Welcome back to your art class, and today I will be teaching you how to draw hot air balloons. Is there any one of you who has ever got a chance to go for a ride in the hot air balloon? If you haven't, then imagine yourself on a hot air balloon today while we draw it. Children, there are many hot air balloon festivals that are celebrated around the world. And in India also, there is a place in Rajasthan, and that place is called Pushkar. And Pushkar has an international hot air balloon festival every year. These hot air balloons look so colorful and beautiful in the sky. So let's begin. To draw a hot air balloon, we are going to make a drop shape which is upside down. You all know how to make a water drop? You all know how to draw a water drop? Yes, like this. And if I see it like this, it becomes the top of a hot air balloon. So let's begin. Now, since you would want that your hot air balloon should look perfect, what are we going to do? We are going to draw one small sleeping line almost in 1/3 of our sheet or little above. Draw one small sleeping line. From here, go up, round, come down and join back. I hope this was easy for you. Go up, round, come down and join back. Now let's make the design on the hot air balloon. Now can you please tell me, how does this hot air balloon fly in the sky? How does it go up? Does it have wings? Does it have some motors? What does it have? Oh yes, it's got fire. And what happens when the fire is burnt? It produces helium gas in the balloon that helps it float up. Fine, the basket is also there. Now, I want to make more hot air balloons. Now children, in case some of you felt that this was a bit difficult and you were not able to make the circle properly, another way of doing is making the drop shape. Now, how do you make a drop? But this time, you will have to put your sheet upside down. Drop shape, if you found this difficult, then you can draw like this. Just a drop. Done. One more. Since they are at the back, they will be smaller. This is perspective. Things at the back look smaller in size. Another drop shape. Fine. Now, turn it back. So we have two more hot air balloons. And now we can just make two lines like this and make the basket. Now I'm telling you a different kind of basket. A basket which is like a pot. This basket can also be made. Children, you are free to make your favorite designs on the hot air balloon. Maybe with zigzag lines, with standing lines, with sleeping lines. There are hot air balloons in the shape of famous cartoon characters on them. You can make stars on the hot air balloon. You can make a cartoon character, a boy's face. Let me make a boy's face. So hot air balloon can be any shape that you like. Now let's add some clouds to show that they are in the sky. How would we know? You can add sun also. And if you are interested, you can draw yourself with your friend or with your parents. How do you draw yourself? You just draw a circle or an oval for the face. And just a bit, tiny bit of neck will show. Nothing else. Body is inside the basket. 2 ears, 2 C's on the sides. I've already taught you in my previous lessons. Hair. And we are done. Let's add eyes. So you can imagine yourself going on a hot air balloon ride. L for the nose, lips and mouth. Nose and mouth, sorry. Now we can just add a design on the basket or leave it plain. Children, let's outline our hot air balloon. I'm going to teach you coloring in my next lesson. Right now we can outline it. How do we outline? Outline on the pencil lines very neatly and slowly, just like I'm doing. It will make your artwork look even better. And it will be easier for you to color inside the lines. Very carefully, the nose and the lips have to be outlined, and the eyebrows and the eyes. Similarly, the clouds, the sun and other hot air balloons will be all outlined.